the way he set up the seat to reach everything else, he couldn't reach or release the air brakes on my truck. I had to do it for him.
Fucking alligator arms. That's why I can't pay for the checks. I'll get it next time.
I hope my printer still works. I need to strap that down.
What's he laughing about?
My printer went on the floor.
Oh. You know the Geico commercial, the alligator? I can't reach it! Can't reach it!
That's alright, I flipped it back over.
One more time, we're gonna celebrate all night, all day.
Oh, that guy's got a lot of Peterbilts for sale over there. And Kenworth. And
one more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh, I can't pass this. Ah. Damn, damn, damn. Damn, 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 I can't.
Why are you hitting your brakes on the interstate, you dumb fuck?
Ah. Damn, 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 damn. Can I pass this guy? Am I gonna make it? Is he gonna slow down?
I know, don't speed, buddy.
Fuck. Damn.
They'll write you up.
Is this guy gonna let me have it? Shit. No fucking no, damn it.
Not still the dude drive.
Damn. You just fucking threw some fucking wood at me. What the fuck? I'm not lying. You fucking threw some wood at me.
Oh my word.
Buddy, Brian got some wood thrown at him. What do you think of that there, bud? He said, that's funny. And then he goes back to his movie. That's exactly how he said it, too.
Oh, he's throwing more shit at me. He just hit me again. What the fuck?
I would possibly pass him.
Oh, I said fucking hard. Damn it.
Just get on your CB and let him know.
Burger 19. You're giving me wood.
Boy, if they don't watch it, my back axle is slid all the way fucking forward already, and I'm at 30,000 on my drives.
I had to slide mine all the way forward in order for my milk to work out.
Yeah. On this one here, if they don't watch it, I'm at 30,000 on my drives already. They've only got 4,000 pounds they can put on my drives anymore.
Yeah, but they're further back in your trailer now, so sorry.
Yeah, so that should start equaling out.
And I gotta take a piss. I gotta pee.
Yeah, I noticed when they bring a salad in, it's not adding so much weight anymore.
You removed the message from Maury?
Yeah.
I didn't.
Why?
Because I want to surprise him Monday. Remember I told him I'm fired and he didn't believe me. So I'll be like, what's up, buddy?
I told you weren't fired. You lie, you lie. Die.
Oh, my old man got a message from his work the other day. That, they're not allowed to put any political propaganda on their trucks because they have customers threatening to cancel their service because some driver put political propaganda on their truck. And those things are not the views are not necessarily the views or the